Good morning, Navin.
Good morning, sir.
Today I'll ask you questions on the topic which
Sports.
okay, sports. Let's begin. Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I do play sports. Helps me stay fit and relax stress. I especially enjoy team games like football, volleyball,
Hmm? Okay. And what sports are popular in your country?
cricket and football are extremely popular. Cricket in particular, crowds massive
Hmm.
during national tournaments.
Okay. And did you play sports when you were younger?
Absolutely, I played badminton at school.
Okay. And do you prefer watching or playing sports?
I prefer playing sports because it keeps me active. Watching is entertaining, but playing playing gives me a real sense of accomplishment.
Okay. And what's your favorite sport to watch?
I would I like to watch
Hmm.
badminton.
Hmm. Fine. Okay. And is there a sport you'd like to try?
Yes, I would love to try scuba diving.
Mhm. Okay, fine. And do you think physical education is important in a school?
Yes, physical education is important in school. Good, good projects.
Mm, okay. And how often do you exercise?
I try to work at least 4 times a week.
Mm, okay. And have sports taught you any life lessons?
Yes, it's give me a discipline.
Hmm. Okay. So you learn discipline from sports. Great. Okay. Do you think people in your country are active enough?
Not really.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, fine. And why do people like extreme sports?
I think it's I think it's still sports.
Mm, fine. Okay. Next question. That is it better to play individual or team sports? Okay. And what sports facilities are available in your area?
Stay small stadium.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Let me ask you one last question. That is, do you support any sports team?
yes. I support national football team.
All right. That's all. Thank you so much.